So the first place to begin when you're working with Illustrator is learning about workspaces. A workspace is basically just an arrangement and configuration of panels in Illustrator to help you find stuff. So when you're a beginner, you probably should start with essentials. So you'll see that if I go to Window, Workspace, you'll see that Essentials is basically a stripped down interface presenting you with the bare bones of what Illustrator has to offer. I would recommend that you switch from Essentials to Essentials Classic. So Window, Workspace, Essentials Classic. It just gives you more flexibility if you're learning to use Illustrator as a designer. But just remember that all that a workspace is it's an arrangement of panels and a configuration of the user interface. You can customize your interface however you want to by going to the window menu. All your panels are available here. You can open and close them. If you wanted to customize your workspace, so for example, if I wanted my layers panel to be on the other side, I could just drag and drop it here. And maybe I also want my swatches panel to be up here. So you can arrange a workspace however you want to. You can also save it by going to Window, Workspace, New Workspace. I would not recommend that at the moment. I think that if you are learning, try and stick to the basic essentials so that you become familiar with things as they are. If you mess things up, so if you're experimenting and trying things out and you get to a point where things are really messed up and scrambled, it's very easy to reset. You cannot break it. So if I go back to Window, Workspace, and I'm on Essentials Classic, but I'm going to go back to Reset Essentials Classic, and everything goes back to the way it was. So it's a very user-friendly way of working with all of your tools and panels.